All right, so today I'm going to show you how to clear cache on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. Now, the easiest way to clear cache is to first of all restart your phone. So you want to go ahead and turn off your phone and then give it a couple of moments, like 10 to 15 seconds after it's off. And then you can turn it back on by long pressing on that side button, and that should help to clear some of the cache data. Okay, so just long press on that side button until you see the Apple logo and allow the phone to reboot. Now that will clear some of the cache, but not all of it. So to clear even more cache, you want to go to the notorious apps for storing cache data. And that's normally your browsers. So if you use Safari, then you can clear cache in Safari. If you use Chrome a lot, you can also go there and clear some cache. Now, different apps have different ways of clearing their cache data. For an app like Safari, which most people use, all you have to do is go into settings. And then under settings, look for Safari. You might have to go all the way down to apps and then find Safari. Now, once you open the Safari settings page, you can now scroll down and find clear history and website data. You can tap on that, and then clearing this history will clear all the cache data as well as your browsing history. Okay. Now, for Chrome, that's going to be a slightly different process. Now, some apps will also store a lot of cache data, but for some of them, you might have to go into the app settings for that specific app and clear the cache data. So for instance, you can clear cache in TikTok, you can clear cache in Snapchat separately, you can clear cache in most other apps. Now, I'm going to link most of the apps down below for which and show you exclusive instructions on how to clear cache in those specific apps, especially the notorious apps which we normally use like TikTok and Snapchat and Instagram and Facebook and all those apps. So that is basically how you can clear cache from the apps themselves. Now, another way you can clear cache from some of these apps is to basically just offload the apps. Okay, so you can do that by uninstalling the app and then reinstalling that app, and that's going to leave the cache behind and just give you your app and your app data. You can also choose to do this automatically if you go into settings. So if you go into settings and then go to the App Store settings. So once again, you might have to go all the way down to apps from the main settings page and tap on App Store. And inside the App Store, if you scroll, you will see the option to offload unused apps. So if you have some unused apps, your iPhone will automatically offload them, which means deleting the app, and then it's going to clear the cache. And when you want to use the app, you can simply tap on the app icon and it's going to get reinstalled. So that helps to automatically delete cache from your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.